Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I'm Jen.
I'm Stefan.
And welcome back to Mouse Ears and Wishes. If you've been following us for any amount of time, you'll know that this dark, early morning intro means one thing. And what does that mean?
It means we're going back to Disney World.
Going back to Disney World. So, it's been a few months. We haven't been in what feels like forever. Last time we went in November. So it's been a few months, which is a long time for us. So we are really hype and excited to go. We have a lot of exciting things planned. And hopefully today's adventure ends with us at Epcot. So we hope that you'll follow us along on our travel day today. And we'll keep you posted on our progress.
See you there.
See you there. Okay, everybody, we are officially at the airport. We're waiting at our gate.
Yeah. There's a bit of construction, I guess, going on at the old gate, so we had to come to sort of a new one a little bit of ways down.
All the way down, yep.
But once again, we had the pre-check, which made it infinitely better getting through. You know, can't recommend it enough.
Absolutely. It was really crowded, but it is spring break time, so if you typically travel during really busy times of year, then pre-check is a great option.
Really is a must.
The most?
A must.
Oh, a must. I thought you said really the most.
The most what?
I don't know. It's like,
the most must of things to have.
So we're actually boarding in like 15 minutes, hopefully. So we'll catch you on the way, I guess.
Okay, so we have made it onto the bus. Our bags were caught in a slight hiccup, but ended up coming out in the same carousel, fortunately. So everything seemed to work out there, and there was no line now that it's Mears Connect. So that was good as well, I guess. You know, trade off, pay for it, but
it's missing a little bit of that Disney magic.
It really is. You'll see in some of the, you know, the things that I just filmed. It's kind of sad, honestly, but
we only waited about 5 minutes.
Yeah,
so
it wasn't bad.
You know, not terrible.
Yeah. So we're excited. We're finally on the bus.
Our flight was a little bit delayed this morning, so
yeah.
We are ready to go.
Yeah, but also our room is ready already.
Oh yeah, our room is ready. We got a text.
Crazy. Yeah, never happens.
Really excited.
yeah, so catch you on the next leg of our trip here. Okay.
We are in our room. We mentioned in the last clip that I got that text from Disney saying our room was ready. Our magic bands worked perfectly, so we were able to get into the room. We changed into our park gear, and we're about to head out to Epcot.
We are so excited to finally be back here, and we can't wait to start our day.
I know.
Yeah.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
See you over there.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, you got it. We'll definitely use that bus.
So, quick update. We picked up an iced coffee over at the Barcelona Lounge inside Grand Destino Tower. And now we're waiting for the bus for Epcot.
Yes.
The only issue is that the sign and the app keep saying that the bus times for Epcot are unavailable.
Yeah, every other bus time is showing, and there was just a Magic Kingdom bus here, so
we're just a little nervous about that. So we're trying to decide, what our best move would be. We could always take the bus to Hollywood Studios and take the Skyliner, or take the next Magic Kingdom bus to
Magic Kingdom
and take the monorail. So
yeah,
we'll see. We have options, but
yeah, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we'll keep you posted.
Permitted at Disney's Hollywood Studios, except in the designated area outside the park entrance. Please collect your belongings. Watch your head and step as you disembark. Take small children by the hand and follow the walkway to the main entrance. As you approach the entrance, please keep your party together. Thanks for riding with us, and have a picture-perfect day here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Alright, so if you can't tell, plans changed a little bit. We're still going to Epcot, but we have hopped the bus over to Hollywood Studios, so we got the Skyliner behind us. And we are going to take it over to Epcot. We're going to work our way around. We're going to actually ride the Skyliner this trip. Didn't think we were going to do it. So
Yeah, I mean, honestly, we were looking for an excuse to ride it anyway, and we figured the amount of time we'd be waiting for an Epcot bus would be equivalent to us taking a bus that was already here and taking the Skyliner over. So, why not? What a better excuse to take the Skyliner than right now. So,
Yeah.
let's go. Let's get on.
go.
I'm ready. So ridiculous.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner
Lady and
Disney's
gentleman.
Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
Did you know?
Did you know? Also, we're alone. They didn't
Yeah.
stick us with anybody this time, so it's
when
just
it's
us.
not like peak times,
Yeah.
they'll let you go by yourself. We'll see what happens when we get to Caribbean Beach if it's a little busier. All right, we're gonna enjoy the rest of our ride.
Yeah.
And
We will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort shortly.
we'll see you
All
there.
passengers must disembark and transfer at...
What was that?
It's good. Everything's good.
Look at that big old golf ball out there.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney
Where?
Skyliner
There it
at
is!
Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
It's been quite a
We're
travel
flying
day.
to Disney's Riviera
A golf
Resort.
ball on the
A
horizon.
continuing flight to
We went on
Epcot.
several flights today. Alright, well, we finally made it to Epcot.
Yes.
After-
Skyliner was
Yeah.
a big hit.
It was a big hit. It was the perfect way to start our trip.
Yeah.
After some like crazy travel things that we were not prepared for, overall, you know, it was smooth.
Yeah.
We got to take the new Mears bus transportation, which worked out very well.
Yeah.
Our room was ready when we arrived, so that
Perfect.
was great.
And it was close. It was in Casitas 1,
Right?
so close. Yeah.
And we were able to take the Skyliner. So even though the bus situation was a little weird, we were able to work around that and still had an enjoyable time.
Yeah.
And got here so we can enjoy the rest of our day.
Yeah. All in all, I think it's shaping up to be a great morning
Yes.
and a great start to the afternoon. So. Yeah.
So if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel.
Yeah, and if you have any suggestions on things we should try next time we're here in Epcot, drop a comment below. We love to read them and we love to respond.
Also, have you taken the Mears transportation system? Let us know your experience with it in the comments. We'd love to hear a little bit more about that. You know, this first time went very well, but I've heard mixed reviews.
Right.
So we'd be interested in hearing about that.
Yeah, during busy times, during lighter times, you know, peak season hours, you know, all that sort of thing. So,
All right. Well, thanks so much for watching. And as always,
keep on wishing.